All right, we're out here in the shop today, but we're not working in the shop today. We're actually working out here. I just had to open this door. On our new project, not this trailer. I'm working on that also. But I went out and I bought another tractor. Oh, I did not do the paint job. This is a Ford 9N. Got a chrome alternator bracket, so it's all pretty nice. I don't know why I bought it. If you're gonna ask that, I just bought it because I liked it. See if it'll start. It's been sitting for a couple of days. Might need two hands. But the problem with the tractor, well, I'm sure there aren't many problems, but the problem I'm working on now is the fact that it's really noisy. I thought it needed a muffler, but then I found out that the whole pipe is all rotted out. You might not be able to see it, but there's just big holes in it down there. So I went up to the tractor supply store. Well, it's called Race Brothers here in Missouri, but got a new whole piece of pipe with the muffler and everything in the car. So I'm gonna get this one unbolted and try putting that new one on, and hopefully it'll be a little quieter. All right, we're gonna try to take this clamp off now that it's warm since I started it. Those are not. Alright, we got this pipe off. The muffler is now just held on by this little clamp back here. I'll see if that's a wrench that I have. There's a big hole there. Even if that was fixed, I don't guess this muffler would have done a whole lot of muffling. So we'll get the other one out of the car, mock it up on there, and see how it goes. Here's the new one next to the old one. Looks the same, just not quite as many holes in it. Just two, one on both ends. So we'll slide this through the back clamp and then get that front one put on and try to tighten it up, and hopefully it'll be a little bit quieter. All right, got it on there. It's tight. We'll fire it up here in a second and see how it sounds with the new muffler. Definitely a little bit quieter. A lot of noise coming out of this alternator. So I might change that. I've got one that I took off the Farmall when I swapped over to a Mini. So we'll let this run for a little bit, and we'll let this run and burn off some of the grease and stuff on the pipe. It's smoking now. Might do an oil change, I don't know.